finna give your ass the game, man. You know I break it down. Come on, man, you know it's Bain.
The image right here, this is where price is. So future price is higher. Well, yeah, that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting the price to go up, right? So already you can tell, like with this line, just look at this line, this point, and this point, it represents number one in this square. And it's a buy stop order, okay? Now, that's what this means is that first, price is right here. But then I expect price to get to, instead of 1.1449, I expect price to get to 1.1459. Okay. So once it gets there, I'm saying, oh yeah, now price is definitely going to go higher. So I'm putting a buy stop order. What that does, my buy stop order will have the price of 1.1459, and that'll be the price that's right here, this future price. So price will go up, 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 up. It'll hit my price, right? It'll hit my target price, and then it'll activate my order. So right now my order is activated, but now when it gets to my number, which direction do I expect the market to go in? Do I expect it to go up? Okay, if so, then it's a buy stop order that I want to place. If I expect it to go down from when it gets to my number, then it's a sell limit. And boom, this is where it is. This is what this represents. This is where price is. You set an order for price when it gets higher to activate, but then when it does activate, you expect price to fall. That's the sell limit. Okay, so you guys can probably already kind of see where I'm going with this, right? And see what this chart is trying to explain to people. This is, you always begin here at where price is. You ask yourself, what do you think price is going to do? Do you think price is going to go up, or do you think price is going to go down? Depending on your answer, you're going to be on the path of one of these two or one of these two. That's just how it goes. So for this one, again, if you expect price to go up, well, you're going to be doing this. You're going to be at this point right here. You think it's going to, at a future price, you think it's going to be higher. So now you place, you get ready to place your order. But you have to think of the second part is, once it gets there to whatever price you expect it to get to, what do you think it's going to do after that? Do you think it's going to continue going higher, or do you think it's going to continue going lower? These orders have absolutely saved my life. I mean, I don't know what to, you have to think of these orders like a duplicate version, like a clone version of you. You have somebody who's at the charts 24/7, ready to hit buy or sell when price gets to a certain point. So you don't have to consistently be looking at the charts, trying to see what the candles are doing, and then making sure you're in a position to where you can go ahead and actually make the trade, put in the numbers, et cetera, right? These buy orders are pending orders. I mean, these orders are pending orders. They're not orders where if you hit buy or sell, you're in an order right now at whatever price the market is at, right? That's just a market order. You just buying, and you're going to be filled at whatever the price is. But you might not want to be filled at that. You might want to wait till price goes up, and then you expect it to go down. Or you might want to wait till price goes up, and then you expect it to go up. Or you might want to wait till price goes down, and then you expect it to keep going down. Or you might want to wait till price goes down, and then you think it's going to go up. Once you get this concept, I promise you guys, when you place these orders, you're going to be so happy that you did, because you're going to be at work and you're going to be busy, right? You get busy, life, you got kids, whatever the case may be. You know how quickly you can get wrapped up into things and you don't pay no attention to what's going on in the charts. Well, guess what? Your clone, these pending orders are working for you. They're set, and once they get triggered, boom, it's all done. Some of you guys have already taken advantage of that in some of the plays that I've called in the Discord, right? I call a buy stop order, a buy stop pending order, or sell stop pending order, right? I hardly call the limits because, you know, I have my reasons. But for the buy stops and the sell stops, all we're really doing when you place those orders, you're placing them and they go into your pending section in your MT4. And then, you know, you go and do something, and then you come and you check the Discord and I say, hey, this order has been activated. Well, you didn't press buy or sell, right? You didn't manually go into the trade, hit buy or sell, put your stop loss, put your take profit. You didn't do any of that. The pending order did all of that for you automatically. So you could be on the beach chilling. You could be dead asleep. You know what I mean? You could be at the movie theaters. You could be wherever. And these orders take place on your behalf because you set it to do so, right? You told your clone, hey, press this button when price gets here. Do this or do that. And it did it. That's what these stop orders these pending orders are all about. Okay, so just review that, kind of go over what I said a little bit more until you kind of get it. Some of you probably already picked it up already, some maybe not, because again, all of this stuff is new, but just know that these help you a lot with trading.
Want to get money? Want to get paid? Master Forex, like a sensei? Then you know you got to come and swing my way. And if you want to fast forward, hit replay.